Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decision still. Okay. Tesla had a very interesting day today. We closed $47.84 below. That's 4.14%. We closed at 1109.03. Post-market, we are down a further $3.71. So let's look at the damage here. This is what we had yesterday. So yesterday, we made a significant high at 1201.95. This was a top. And that allowed us to draw this new resistance right here. And Tesla obeyed and caved into that resistance here. And I had mentioned that the stochastic was not super high. Stochastic was at 71 yesterday. And I mentioned how uneasy I was about Tesla going back up so fast with stochastic not being that strong. So it turned out I was right. So if I go look at the 1 hour chart, what happened today? So during the first hour here, we broke this 1155 support. Basically, first hour broke it. Second hour went and bounced a little bit on 1116.82. So second hour, we basically bounced on it. Third hour, we touched it. Fourth hour, we also used it at resistance then, and then we fell as low as 1062.70 before coming back up for the last 2 hours, but still remaining under 1116.82. So 1116.82 in this short-term play, this is a really important number. So right now, this is a resistance. And if we look at the indicators on the hourly chart, we have stochastic at 33. So this little move up here is not very strong stochastic wise. The chances that we can break 1116.82 on the 1 hour chart tomorrow are a little bit slim, and everything else is pretty much bearish. If I go back to the daily chart, so with this big red candle that still shows some buying pressure here at the bottom, it still shows that. But we look at stochastic. Stochastic is now at 49. So I will have to change my thumb up for a red thumb down. And this should be red. And also the RSI here that broke outside of this decreasing strength looks like it wants to come back in. So we have to take a look at this. MACD that almost looked like it wanted to cross over bullish is remaining as is, and DMI is still bullish. Tesla is into this triangle here. It's into this triangle here. I feel like 1116.82 and this resistance right here is a temporary resistance, and the stock should be moving into this before breaking out at some point. It might break up or it might break down, but this is my take on this. Don't invest based on what I say, invest on what is happening. If I'm right, the stock will stay between this line and this line. If I'm wrong and it breaks them, then you can take action. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link, and you can also become a YouTube member for just $5 a month. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.